here's the highlights of her routine for you to watch.
I thought it was a very nice routine, but it didn't score quite so well with the judges. So we're ready now for our next dog. Susan Dooney is coming into the ring. Murphy is her dog. Murphy Mischief is the kennel name. It's a working sheepdog, and it's the oldest one in the competition, actually, 10 years old, this dog. The music is Compline du Notre Être l'après-midi, which is something about after lunch, summer after lunch, I don't know, after midday. However, it's performed by Jan Thiersen, and the team's third time competing at Crufts Heelwork to music. He also races and plays flyball when he's not doing this. Susan Dooney and Murphy. That was a beautiful performance, so gentle, My translation in the French, not particularly good. Compline d'une autre été l'après-midi, something of another summer afternoon, but I don't know what compline is, and someone will no doubt tell me at some point, but I don't know what it is. That was the music played by Jan Tiersen, and the performance was very gentle indeed. I have no idea how they're going to be scored on this. I know what I would give it. I would give it a good, very good score indeed. But I'm not sure that there was enough variety in it. We just have to wait and see. Wonderful performance. So lovely, very gentle, very smooth, very elegant. So that's Susan, Dooney and Murphy. The judges handing in their scores for Susan Dooney, but here come the scores, and you'll see there that Caroline Garrett has gone there into the lead, into first place with 26.4, and good scores indeed. A 9 there for musical interpretation and 2 8.9s. Very consistent, very good indeed. As I said, they won this event last year. Are they going to do it again? The Phantom of the Opera, and a lovely performance. So we'll wait for our next dog, and this will be Kay Lawrence.
Right, our next competitor to come into the arena is
Here she comes, Kay Lawrence, and Time. Another working sheepdog, 8-year-old dog. Jenna Bakab, Light Merlot is the kennel name of this boy. And the music is The Tale of Victor Navorsky by John Williams. Kay's appeared here at Crufts on several occasions, including last year's Heelwork to Music finals with this dog. Well done there, Kay. Kay Lawrence with time. And a very gentle performance. I think people probably had to wait a long time for the meal, but that was a very interesting performance from Kay. Very elegant, and a lot of waving and all that. The dog keeping very good station with her. We'll see what the score does with that. But if we, for some reason, I don't know what it is, I think we'll find in just a moment. But Susan Dooney has been eliminated, so we'll be getting her score of 0 in just 1 moment. She has no score. So that's the previous performance, which I did think was rather nice, but I don't know what technical reason they've given, but she has been eliminated, so something was very wrong in the performance there, which is a shame. But here, as we watch again, Kay Lawrence with time, just finishing off that very elegant performance. So sad for Susan, no score to go in, so nothing to show you there in the meantime. And we come to our next competitor, who's waiting by the side of the stage. So here, waiting in the wings, as it were, we have Michelle Dodson with Kinnaway Dr. Kildare, known as Devon. Michelle Dodson there with this 8-year-old Border Collie dog. And the announcement's just been made to the ring by Dave Ray that that Susan Dooney unfortunately was eliminated. So here comes Michelle Dodson, and the music they're going to be dancing to is Onta by the performers and orchestra at the Cirque du Soleil. Michelle has competed and demonstrated with her dogs on several occasions at Crufts. They also compete in competitive competition obedience. Well, that was really quite dramatic. Onto by Cirque du Soleil from Michelle Dodson and Devon. And interesting to see the marks. I'm not quite sure how to mark that. It was all very slow and very precise. But we'll see what the judges make of it. Luckily, I'm not sitting down there at one of the tables and having to make the decision. The work that goes into this, and you think how still the dog has to be, how calm and collected, and the total concentration, particularly when you're doing these things so slowly, I think is remarkable, very good indeed. Whether or not it scores well, we'll just have to wait and see. But we're currently awaiting the score for Kay Lawrence in just a moment, which we will have. And the score's just going in for that performance that we've just seen. But in the meantime, here's Kay's score. That's not bad, 23.7. A very nice one for the musical interpretation there of 8.2. But 23.7. She puts her in 4th place. It really was so elegant. I've worked with Kay a few times in the past. We did a show called The Underdog Show where we were judges. And she's a very, very good dog trainer, a very nice lady too. And it's nice to see her here in the ring performing in front of what is becoming a very big crowd here indeed.